Here are some highlights from the February issue of Pumper magazine. With a G.I. Joe theme and the energy of a power drink, Epic Septic is proof that branding isn't just for tech startups. Learn how this Austin-based team built one of the city's largest fleets in just 1 year by leading with identity and automated systems. Check out Making Septic Epic in this month's Pumper. From a 1972 fire tanker with no power steering to the 2025 Classy Truck of the Year, Mike and Renee Russell stuck their necks out to build Albemarle Septic into a North Carolina powerhouse. Read their story and see the rig that's turning heads and taking home the top prize. Pumping a holding tank seems straightforward, but do you know how to spot a structural failure before it's too late? Learn the critical differences in liquid level measurement, pH field testing, and why that mixed slurry matters for disposal. What do you do when a homeowner wants a waterfront view, but the soil says no? Third-generation pumper Colin Smith used advanced MBR technology to install a system 1/20th the size of a standard field. From Florida's spring protection to California's simplified ADU rules, septic regulations are shifting across the country. Check out our national regulatory roundup. Heated valves, a Durop DL180 blower, and a Garnet sea-level digital gauge. Bobby Davis Jr.'s new rig isn't just a truck, it's a precision instrument. It's also the classy truck of February. The DigPig silencer combines a 0-degree jet with a powerful 10-degree cone for max efficiency without the vibration. If you're looking for used septic equipment, you're looking for the Pumper Classifieds. You found them! All this and much more in the latest issue of Pumper magazine, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading Pumper. See you next month.